You know what Warren Buffett said? Unless you're making money while you're sleeping, you'll always be working and you'll never get rich. You have to have a cash flow generating asset. And the best way to do that is getting something with passive income, whereby you're doing something by which you're getting those cash flows, but you're not incurring expenses like utilities, insurance, maintenance for the property. Well, guess what one of those things are? You drive by it every day. It's right here behind me. It's a cell tower. And more particularly, they're leasing their land for a cell tower lease. They're getting paid month after month. They're cashing checks,
Yeah,
baby. And guess what? They're not incurring expenses. Everything is getting paid by the cell tower company. You know the biggest mistake a property owner makes when they're structuring a cell tower lease? They think they're leasing land. Look right behind me, this cell tower right now, the property owner has entered into a lease that they're leasing space on the ground. They're not in the real estate business. You're a property owner, but you're in the utility business. If a cell tower company has come out to you to lease your land, they're making money by leasing that space out. And every cell tower has its own individual value, its own individual utility. You don't want to get paid just based on how much space they're using. You want to be paid how much value they're getting from that space. You want to know how to make money off a cell tower lease? What's structuring that cell tower lease properly? Look at this site right here. The property owner just leased out the space below. They're getting paid a few $100s a month from using that space by the cell tower company. But guess what? If you look up at the cell tower, look at those antennas up there. That's AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile. That tower is generating $20,000 a month for the cell tower company. Guess what? That property owner is only getting paid a few $100s a month. Who's getting the better deal? If you understand how to structure a cell tower lease correctly, you not only get the money from leasing your land, but you get the money they're making from leasing the tower. If you want to learn more about cell towers, and more particularly the cell tower industry, hit the subscribe button and learn more. And always remember, get more money, get a better lease, get vertical.